the inspection, repair, and recertification process in detail. You can visually see the whole inspection and recertification process in these pictures. Stage 1, preliminary inspection. Stage 2, shot blast or sandblast. Got to get the paint and the rust off the wheels, get them down to bare metal for inspection. Stage 3, gauge testing is required. Stage 4, magnetic particle inspection as required. Stage 5, repair. Note metal stamping, sections being cut away, and wheels being repaired. Stage 5, refinishing. And Stage 6, ready to ship. To summarize, a wheel recertification program can reduce equipment downtime, increase safety, prolong your wheel life, reduce tire wear, and extend tire service life, and save you money. One such recommended program has been validated in an independent university study and is based on in-depth knowledge and vast experience in the off-road wheel industry. The program eliminates guesswork in determining defects and is a very cost-effective program overall. For more information, or if you would like to consult with an off-the-road wheel expert, contact the person that sent you this presentation to watch and arrange a follow-up call or schedule a visit to discuss your needs further. Thank you very much.